This extension has one of our newest features, which is a custom action. The way it works is you could create a new workflow. So when you create a new workflow, you are inside, and then in this case, I have a condition, but that doesn't really matter. You would go into instant actions, and it should show up right there at the bottom. Send RC SMS main. You're going to select which account you're going to be using for that custom action, which field for the leads, and then you could type your. You could also use our merge fields. I have a field quote number, and I could just save it, give it a name, and save it. And then now every time I have a new lead, last name Kakuk, it will send that SMS. So you no longer have to use the custom function and write code. We will even perfect this with advanced features. Right now, today, which is November 30, 2022, this is our custom action.